guys, Tuke here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful ethnic sleek updo to the grand finale of YouTube Week, which held in Nigeria towards the end of June. So I'm starting off on just like a normal afro, and I'm just going to cut the front. And I'm braiding this bit because this is going to be the poof in front. What it was just a puff in the front and a puff at the back. And truth of the matter is I wasn't even sure what I was going to do with the front when I started off the hairstyle. So yeah, just like that. Brush. So typically, I like to start off with this type of brush, and then I use the other one to make it smoother. Now I don't really want it to be like overly sleek, so I'm just going to use Eco Styler. If I wanted a super sleek look, I would have used Got to Be Glued, the black one. This Eco Styler just gives me a gentle sleek look. I'm going to tie a scarf for like 30 minutes just so it has some waves. So I have a lot of other hair tutorials on my channel. I'm going to leave them above and leave the links in the description bar below. The clip-ins are from Her Given Hair. Use the coupon code TUKEMorgan3 for $10 off. I'm just going to leave this to set for like 30 minutes. While it's setting, I'm going to eat some eba and okra. See you in about 30 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm just about to take off my scarf. I've eaten my eba and I'm happy. So, ta-da! Let me just come close so you can see the waves. Can you see? Can you see the waves? So now I get my clip-ins, and I'm gonna do the one at the back first. So now this is good like that for volume. So I get a clip-in with a 5. Boom. So I put the 5 in the front and I'll put the 3 at the back. By the way guys, I actually did a seafood okra collaboration with Maggie, and I'll just link to the video above so you can watch and see how I make my seafood okra. I have a video showing how I install and blend my clip-ins to make an afro, and I'll link it above, so click on it and watch please. You just clip them in place with the bobby pins. You have one to like cover the bum. Remember to use the coupon code TukeMorgan3 to get $10 off any purchase on Hungarian Hair's website. Let me know if there are any other hairstyle tutorials you'd like me to do. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Turn on the notification bell. I put up videos every week. Now for the front, as you can see, all I did was a braid. I'm just going to braid it even further. Tucked around itself. Take a 3 clip. Take a 3 clip. What you do is you use the hair to cover the track and you clip it in, and it's as easy as ABC. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next one.